Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Before you record any purchases in QuickBooks Desktop, it's important to get to know the purchasing workflow that best relates to your business. Let's go over how to set up vendors and learn when to use each type of purchasing form. If you want to know how much you owe to a specific business, or if you want to track how much you pay to your subcontractors or anyone you pay who isn't a W-2 employee, set them up as a vendor. Select Vendors to start. Your vendors appear on this list. When you select a vendor's name, you see their contact details and past transactions. Select New Vendor to set up a new vendor. Fill in the vendor info. QuickBooks recalls it later when you enter transactions or run reports. Be sure to include their tax info in the Tax Settings tab if this is a contractor that you'll need to send a 1099. If you wish to edit a vendor you've already set up, double-click their name. Once you've set up your vendors, you're ready to enter purchases. There are two main workflows to record purchases in QuickBooks. The one you use depends on whether your vendor gives you time to pay. If your vendor sends you an invoice or a bill and you pay them later, you enter a bill first. This process can also start with a purchase order if you or your vendor require one. When you pay the bill, you record a bill payment. If your vendor doesn't give you time to pay and expects payment when you receive the goods or services, you record a check or credit card charge. For most businesses, you use a combination of these workflows. You might enter bills from vendors you purchase inventory from, or when your utility company sends you a bill. And then, you might record credit card charges if you purchase something online with a credit card. When you use your debit card in a store to purchase job materials, you use the Write Checks window. Once you know which workflow fits the process you need, open the right form. You record the vendor's name, date of the purchase, the expense account that best describes why you spent money or an item from your items and services list, and any other details. Now you're ready to set up your vendors and record your business expenses. For more info on how to record bills and other expenses, check out one of these videos.